Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Kevin Arado with the Communications Department here at the City of Fayetteville, and on behalf of the Mayor and Senator Clark and Councilmember Wright, we welcome you to today's groundbreaking for the Louise Street Bridge. Councilmember Wright is going to come up and make a few remarks, and he'll introduce our other two gentlemen that I've just mentioned here, and then we're going to move behind for some shovels. And for the media folks here, we can do some stand-ups afterwards if you'd like to ask questions on an individual basis. So with that, Councilmember Wright.
Good afternoon, everyone. It's a great day for Hollywood Heights. I want to thank the residents here for being patient for this project to get started. And I want to thank the staff of the city and DOT for working on this project and to make this project happen. The Louise Street Bridge serves approximately 600 homes and 3,200 vehicles per day. So the closure of this bridge had a substantial impact on the emergency response time. 80% of the bridge funding was supported by the DOT block grant from the Federal Highway Administration and will pass through the North Carolina DOT, and the city has matched that with 20%. The partnership and the team cohesiveness that the city has developed with the North Carolina DOT through the years has greatly benefited our community, safety, quality of life, and the project is proof of that relationship. Thanks again for everyone who helped make this happen, and I cannot wait until this bridge is finished. At this time, we're going to give it over into the hands of the mayor of this God-blessed city, Mayor Mitch Colvin.
So good afternoon. Thank you to Councilmember Wright, and I'd also like to acknowledge the presence of Mayor Pro Tem Ted Moan, as well as the City Manager Doug Hewitt, and several members of the city staff and our state representatives. This has been a long time coming. This area was impacted severely with the natural disasters of Hurricane Florence and Matthew several years ago, and this project could not have come fast enough, but it takes patience and it takes tenacity and persistency. And so this is a message to the residents of Hollywood Heights that the city of Fayetteville has not forgotten you, that we are here for you, as well as all of the other citizens in this great city that have been impacted by these natural disasters. Today shows us that infrastructure is directly connected to public safety. And so we will continue to emphasize the rebuilding and the replacement of aged infrastructure throughout our city to make sure that we are doing our job with protecting and making a good quality of life for all of our residents. So today we look forward, again, as Councilmember Wright reiterated, I can't wait to return to when this bridge is reopened and the residents of this community are back to some normalcy in the quality of life. Again, thank you for your patience, and we look forward to meeting that task with you.
Morning, everybody.
Morning.
This has been a long time coming. Some of you know and some of you don't know that I was born and raised in this neighborhood. As a matter of fact, I can see Mr. Razor back there who coached my Little League football team. I saw Mr. Offer somewhere back there. Where you at, Mr. Offer? And he was the one who took my mother to the hospital so that I could be brought into this world. But anyway, I understand what this bridge means to you, having lived here, having walked across, driven a bike across, ridden a car across numerous times. So I'm happy that this day has come, and I'll be even happier when the bridge is complete. So you guys have a nice day.
Yeah, this time if I get those who were identified by Ms. Scott to come up here and jump on a shovel.
All right, get some dirt, everybody. On 3. 1, 2, 3.